5 makers, 5 visions, 1 challenge. Reimagine light through 3D printing, lighting your way forward.
Hi, my name is Zuhairi. All my friends call me Zu. I'm actually a designer and founder for Ratio, which is a 3D printing lamp design brand. 3D printing has allowed us as a designer to bridge that gap between idea and having a physical product. You can have an idea in the morning and you can design and print it and have a tangible product by the end of the day. By using Bamboo Lab, I'm able to create things that were not possible before. I can keep iterating things as I go along the way. That actually helps small brand like Ratio to produce things economically. The inspiration for the Merdeka lamp is basically to run away from the typical, visual imagery of Merdeka itself. This lamp is actually based on 2 ideas. One is because we are a socially diverse country, we need to be together in a framework to perform as a structure, and the transparent walls within this lamp actually depicts the potential and the glow of what the society can be. For me, Merdeka means having the imagination and the possibility of what we could be, and also having the courage to act upon it. My advice to young makers out there is just start. You don't need any permission to start designing. You can always improve yourself along the way. Ayo Malaysia!